Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Yeah, Samsung rolled out the Samsung security updates daily. That is monthly security updates rolled out by the Samsung. So let us see the update is available. So according to the promise given by the Samsung, Samsung rolled out the monthly security updates for their Galaxy devices. That is top end models. So just click on download and install. So it will install software update. So we will see how much the size of this update and what are the updates they have included in this update and features and the security patches included in this update. The security of a device has been improved. These three features they have included, that is in every update they have improved the camera features. So we will later show the camera update and the performance of the camera has been improved. So how and quick share, so improvement in the quick share also. So this is the update rolled out by the Samsung. So Samsung will roll out the updates every month, security updates. So in addition to the security updates, they improved some more features of the mobile. So it will take some time to download. So just wait 2 to 3 minutes. So once downloaded, so we need to install the update. So now let us click the install now button. So it will install the update. See, preparing to update. See, device got restarted. So every time installation, the device gets will restarted. So don't worry, don't get a panic. Say 20% is completed, showing the Android logo while installing the update. Once the update is installed, 36% is completed. So we need to wait until the update is completed. This is the main security update in addition to the camera update and the quick share update between the Galaxy devices. 60% of installation is completed. See 84, 85, 86% is completed. See 100% is completed. So again now the device gets restarted. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus showing powered by the Android, secured by the Knox. Samsung, it's showing Samsung logo. So once the updation of the installation of the update is completed, so then it is optimized updation. So optimizing the updating. See. Four 430. So optimization is 461. 64, 69. So optimization is then optimizing storage. See, phone is updating, showing. See, optimizing. Now again the restart updated. It is showing here. So finishing the system update. So it will take some. See, the bar is moving. So once the bar is completed 100%, then the finishing of the system update is completed. It will pop up the message once the updation is completed. So the bar is moving. See, yeah. system update is completed. It will pop up the message like this. See, your phone has been updated. Click OK. Go to settings and about the phone. You will see the software information. See, One UI 3.1 and here Android security patch level 1st May 2021. So your phone gets updated. Like this, I will upload lot more videos about technology and tips and tricks and software updates and the new devices and special events. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. To get the notifications of newly uploaded videos, so click on the bell icon. So thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.